Hey guys, it's Corey B, aka Binger. It's 6:20 in the morning, and the conditions are just perfect outside for this test that I want to do with the Spark. I'm going to fly it inside, and I'm going to see how long it can stay in the air until it lands on its own accord of a low battery. And then I'm going to take it outside, where the temp right now is negative 14 degrees, but the wind speed is very, very slow. They're saying it's only 2-mile-an-hour gusts right now. So this should be perfect. A perfect test to see how long it can hover outside compared to inside. Inside it's 67 degrees, outside it's negative 14 right now. I'm expecting to see quite a dramatic reduction in flight time because of the battery getting cold outside, but let's see what happens. Alright guys, that went from 98% battery down to 12% battery. It automatically landed on its own, and it flew for almost 12 minutes. It was like 11:50 something. I'll have to check the exact time when I'm editing. So let's take it outside now and fly it in negative 14 degree weather and see how long it can just hover with very little wind until it lands on its own. Well, that was quite shocking. Now I know there's some factors that I can't take into account between flying inside and outside, but I thought there'd be a lot bigger difference in the amount of time that you could fly in negative 14 degree weather compared to 67 degree inside. That's an 81 degree difference, and I saw virtually no difference in the amount of time it could fly. I'm going to look at the tape later, and this may require some further testing, but right now I'm pretty impressed. If you can keep your batteries warm, it should fly just as good outside in negative degree weather as it does on a nice warm day. Alright, thanks for watching guys.